Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're actually installing the Audew LED headlight kit. These are the H11 for the 3rd generation Mazda 6, but they also have an H8 and H9 LED headlight bulb, so this will work for many vehicles. So the price is $49.99, but with my link and special discount code, you can get up to 35% off. So make sure to check the description for the link below. Alright, so this is the full plug-and-play kit. It has the ballast right here, the connector, and then this is the fan that keeps it cool. And this is the 360 LED bulbs. You can see it goes all the way around. Alright, let's get into installing. This is going to be my first attempt trying to get it in to the housing. Shit, where is it? Is it in here? Yeah. Am I even close? Alright, so I couldn't get the bulb in there, so Byron's trying it now. Hey, this guy, I don't know how he did it, but he freaking did it. But anyways, now it has to be connected. This is how it looks like all connected. You could see the ballast right there. But yeah, anyways, it took a few minutes, but it's already in there. We gotta do the other side now. The Morimoto's on the left, and then the Audew's on the right. Wow. They look almost identical, to be honest. Wow. So from this angle, the Audew 360 LED is on the left, and then the Morimoto's on the right. It looks like the Audew gives a little bit more illumination all around and seems to be at least as bright or just a little bit brighter. So for a third of the price, this would be definitely the light bulb I would go with. So one thing I do notice off the bat is that the fan is way quieter than the Morimoto one. So the fan you hear in the background is mostly the Morimoto. So let's go over to this side, which is the Morimoto fan. Yeah, you can hear it pretty loud and distinctly here. Alright, so they're both in. Looks pretty good. Definitely comparable to the Morimoto, and it's way cheaper. So this is a really good option if you're just looking to get high quality bulbs, but without the crazy prices. So the wiring is really good on the Audew headlight. It's way shorter than other aftermarket brands, such as the Morimoto, which is right here. This one instead is about, I would say 3 inches maybe. But what makes that so good is that you don't have to be worried about the wires getting caught while driving, or the material kind of like bunching up in an area and causing something to mechanically go wrong. So I would say this is definitely a plus side for the Audew. The cost of the bulbs is only about $49.99, but if you use my link and the code in the description, it'll be 35% off. Hopefully you guys like the install video. Be sure to check the description below for the links to my products and mods. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.